Magandang araw muli mga kabilyarista. Panoorin natin to. Efrem Bata Reyes, 71 years old na.
Just by much.
Pero matindi pa rin ang tirada.
And he did get the cover ball, I believe.
Kalaban ni Efrem dito mga kabilyarista ay walang iba kundi ang rising star at pool hustler ng Amerika na si Mike DeChain. Akala nila dito mga kabilyarista dahil 71 years old na si Efrem Bata Reyes, laos na ang magician. Pero panoorin nyo ang gagawin ni Efrem dito.
Beautiful.
I-shot sa bola 1, Efrem Bata Reyes.
A couple for nice.
Sakto ang preparation sa bola 3. At boom, walang kahirap-hirap. Combination de Abante, boom, pasok. Yan ang habang sinasabi ko. Efrem Bata Reyes, lamang na ng isang rack dito.
Made another ball. Oh, no, didn't.
Eto pa ang isa.
He'll lose the tip.
That's why he's going to try to get out of now.
The other side, perfect. Look at this man.
Efrem Bata, sakto ang bola 2.
Go in.
Yeah, we would have had it cut the two ball to draw into the four.
Pinalapit pa
Football.
ang kanyang preparation.
Involved, but he did the right thing.
At sakto, walang kahirap-hirap.
Championships, you understand?
Here we're standing.
Puro sa gilid ng butas ang mga bola. Efrem Bata Reyes,
So we did.
mukhang hindi na mahirapan dito.
Yeah, he
At
did. He
sinasabi
looked
ko
like
na nga ba,
he
yun na. 3 bola na lang para kay Magician. Easy shot.
was done.
At presto, sakto ang preparation sa bola 8. Efrem Bata, tinampal lang ang bola 8. At sakto ang last ball na bola 9. Boom!
Reyes, 7-5.
So ganyan lang kung tumirada sa Efrem. Simpleng-simple. Pero napakatindi.
I think he
Ayun.
wanted one more bounce. He still may have the carom though.
Yeah, with the bridge.
Rack
the bridge.
14 na to. At Efrem Bata Reyes, lamang na ng 3 rack sa kalaban.
Oh, he went. No, he
At boom!
He's still here.
Pasok!
Oh, he's going to go for it
Walang
again.
kahirap-hirap. Ginamit pa ang isang bola.
Blame it on the bridge. Maybe it was
At
that he was
eto pa ang
off
isa.
the bridge. That's all.
Talagang antindi pa rin ang tirada ng Efrem.
It's like he's
Ayan na.
cross side.
Pinadaan sa 2 bola. Boom!
He was taking a swipe at it that way.
Grabe talaga.